Welcome back. Now we are going to discuss, and I'll also demonstrate how to draw a tangent to an ellipse. We already have an ellipse. Now we shall start by first of all looking at the position of the point from which we are going to draw this tangent. And in this particular lesson, we are supposed to draw a tangent to an ellipse from a point outside the circumference of the ellipse. Okay, so we are going to name point P, this point here, as a point from which we are going to draw our tangent to this particular ellipse. First thing to consider when constructing or drawing a tangent is to first of all find two important points. These points are known as the foci. Singular for foci is focus. So how do you find the focus? You get your compass and get this dimension, which is half the major axis. Remember that line AB is a major axis, so half of it is from A to O. So you get this dimension, okay, and then you place the tip of your compass at point D, and then strike an arc on the major axis on the left hand side of the major axis, and then another one on the right hand side to give us focal point 1 and focal point 2. So this is the focus, and also F2 is the focus. Next, remember we are trying to construct, or we are drawing a tangent to this particular ellipse from a point outside the tangent. So we are going to use this same point we have created as one from where we are going to draw our tangent. So you get, of course, place the tip of your compass on point P, and then you go to F2. Why have we selected F2 and not F1? Okay, the reason is simple. According to the method, we first of all have to look at the nearest focal point to the point from which we are supposed to draw the tangent, and this is the F1 and not, this is F2, sorry, and not the F1. So once we get this dimension or this radius, we now strike a long arc. This arc must pass through point F2. Next, with the tip of your compass at A, open it full length of the major axis, and then place the tip of your compass on F1 this time, and then strike an arc there and an arc there. So these two arcs are intersecting on 2 points. This is point number 1 and point number 2. Next, we are going to get point number 2, this point number 2, and join it to F2. like that. Then point number 1, also join it to point to F2, sorry, like that. Okay, these 2 points we have drawn have cut or are cutting the circumference of the ellipse on 2 separate points. The straight line from point number 2 is cutting the ellipse at this point. The other one from point number 1 connecting to F1 is also cutting the ellipse at that particular point. These 2 points, colleagues, are the possible points through which the tangent will pass, or through which the tangent will be drawn from point from point P, sorry. So this is what you're going to do. From point P through this point, you draw a tangent. And then from point P through this point, you draw another possible tangent. Oh, there you have it. So this is how you can construct or draw a tangent to an ellipse from a given point outside the ellipse. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye-bye.